Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two foldable treadmills that will revolutionize your home exercise routine. On the left, we had the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, we had the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill is priced at $299, while the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is priced at $369. The Goplus treadmill is a budget-friendly option, providing incredible versatility with its 2-in-1 functionality. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill offers a slightly higher speed limit and a larger running belt. Both treadmills have a foldable design, making them perfect for those tight on space. However, the Goplus treadmill takes it a step further with its 2-in-1 functionality. You can use it as a jogging machine or raise the handrail for a full-on running experience. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill offers a compact size and convenient storage options. The Goplus treadmill is equipped with a 2.25 HP motor, providing a smooth and quiet workout experience. It allows for speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill boasts a powerful 2.5 HP motor, allowing for speeds up to 6.7 miles per hour. The Goplus treadmill features a 5-layer non-slip texture, running belt with a spacious area of 39.3 x 16. It provides excellent cushioning for your knees and muscles, giving you a superior running experience. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill offers a slightly larger running area of 41.7, 15.7. The Goplus treadmill comes with a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and even an app control option. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill also offers Bluetooth connectivity, a phone holder, and a remote control. Plus, they have a dedicated app for course training and connecting with other users. Based on online reviews, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill is praised for its budget-friendly price and versatility, while the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is highly recommended for its higher speed limit and convenient storage options. And there you have it, folks. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill both have their unique strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with incredible versatility, the Goplus treadmill might be your go-to. On the other hand, if you want a slightly higher speed limit and convenient storage options, the Rhythm Fun treadmill is worth considering. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Whichever treadmill you choose, you're on your way to a healthier and fitter lifestyle. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart.